Hello everyone, I'm Ghillie Twins. I have a new HPA engine from Wolverine. It's made for VSR-10. Even in this windy weather, you will be amazed at what the Bolt HPA engine can do. But before making some nice shots, we need to take a look at how to install it and what to pay attention to. Inside the package, there is a micro switch. Thanks to micro switch, it's possible to manually adjust the trigger sensitivity. A nozzle that works perfectly with the engine also comes included. This nozzle is also compatible with the hop-up unit. In the package, there is also O-ring for the engine. Thanks to spare O-rings, we can quickly intervene in the case of an air leak in the engine. And also in our package, we have US type fitting. I bought the engine together with the cylinder. Thanks to this specially manufactured cylinder, I will be installed directly onto my rifle without any modification. After taking the part out of the box, we can start assembling them. Removing the trigger is the necessary in the order to taking out the cylinder. Therefore, we start by removing the trigger first. Since we will place the micro switch in the trigger safe position, we remove the trigger safety mechanism. Next, to ensure the motor fits properly, we need to cut curtain the part of the trigger. We will mark the area to be cut and then proceed with the cutting. After cutting the parts, you should position the micro switch in the suitable spot, allow the proper trigger adjustments. Once you find the correct spot, drill the marked area and prepare the suitable place for the micro switch. After drilling, you can secure it using the screw provided. I use it only one screw so that I can easily change it later if I'm not satisfied with the trigger sensitivity. After following the necessary step one by one, you can be sure that your rifle will be turned into leather. I never thought BB fitting will be this easily. You don't even need to use any force. Let's see together how the shots perform even in the windy weather. And watch a few shots in the preparation for the game. You can see how stable the BBs fly during the normal shots. Since the sniper rule in my area limits to 3.5 joules, being able to adjust the joule turn to regulator as I wish is a huge advantage for me. If you are going to use such high quality HPA engines, I recommend using the STORM metal regulator from the Wolverine. This regulator comes with the lines included. Thanks to the STORM, the FPS difference between your shot is minimized. Thanks for watching. You can find the products shown in the video through the link we will leave below. Thanks to İzmirav Market, Turkey's largest suppliers, you can access many Wolverine products. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.